Okay, today we're going to be unboxing some floor mats for the Frontier 2022. These are just the regular Frontier floor mats. They do have a Pro 4X version of these. They got rid of the design of the flat floor mats and they went with molded, which Nissan should have done this long time ago. They do look like the competitors, like the WeatherTech ones. They are a little bit stiffer, a little bit harder. The box will come with the driver passenger side. The rear is a little bit different. We come in a two-piece now. So you would have one go across, and then the other one would finish it off at the other side. So we'll try to find a vehicle to install these and then see if you guys would like them for your. So I did wanted to show the Pro 4X ones because these are pretty cool. Because it does say Pro 4X on both sets of the floor mats up front. The rears are the same, but it's pretty sweet. And this is the back. As you can see right here, there it goes over. It looks good, comes up. So here we installed them on a 2022 Frontier. They go in nice, snug fit. They go up a little bit. I think it's a good way to protect your investment.